In this video, you'll learn how to create and set up your blog. First, find either Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox on your desktop. I'll start out Mozilla Firefox. It will take you to the University of Toledo homepage. From there, go to the toolbar, find the address bar, highlight the text, and type in blogger.com. Then hit Enter to load the Blogger page. On the Blogger page, scroll down. You should see a button that says Create Your Blog Now. Click that button. You are now on the Create a Google Account page. Here, you will enter your email address. This will become your username for your Google blog account. I suggest your UT email if you know what it is. When you're finished typing your email address, be sure to write that down on the card provided so you don't forget it later. Then, you'll have to retype your email address to verify it. When you're finished with that, scroll down and enter a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and contain one number. When you've entered a valid password, your password strength will say strong. Immediately write that password down on your blog card. Once you've done this, retype your password to verify it. If you make a mistake, you will later be prompted to try again. Next, think of a display name you might like for your blog. This can be anything from your own name to a clever alias. Your display name will be displayed should you ever comment on someone else's blog. Once you've completed that, go ahead and type in the colored letters you see in the word verification blank. Sometimes they can be hard to identify. If you mess up, it's not a problem. You'll be prompted to try again. Finally, click the I accept the terms of service. If you wish, you can take the time to read them, but they are long and tedious. Next, click the Continue button. Next, it's time to name your blog and choose a URL or web address that your blog can be found at. The first thing you'll do is click in the blog title blank. Here, you type in the title that you want to be displayed at the top of your blog. May I suggest academic writing, but if you wish to be more creative, that's perfectly fine with me. Next, you'll enter a web address for your blog. This is where your blog can be found on the internet. You'll have to hit the Check Availability button to make sure that website is available. If you find that web address is not available, Blogger will suggest a number of alternatives. You can keep trying until you find a blog address that you like. You might find that this is quite difficult, but don't give up. If nothing else, choose one of the alternatives that Blogger has given to you. Check the Check Availability button until you get a confirmation. Be sure to write that web address on your blog card. Then go ahead and click the Continue button. Now you will choose a template for your blog. This is how the blog will look. You can scroll down to see several different types of templates. Choose the one that you think looks the best. You can view them by clicking the View Template button located underneath. Once you've decided on a template, you can select it by clicking the little button underneath it. That will be the look for your blog. Once you've chosen your template, scroll down and click the Continue button. And finally, your blog has been created, but we're not done yet. Now we have to hit the Start Posting button to configure our settings. What you see now is the posting page, but we'll come back to that later. For now, go up to the top and click Settings. Some of these settings you'll have to decide on your own, but I'll assume you want to keep your blog private. First, click the Add Your Blog to Our Listings to No. Then, change the Let Search Engines Find Your Blog to No. Then scroll down. You'll see a Save Settings. Don't click that yet. If you look over, you'll see a button, an option where you can delete your blog. If at the end of the class you want to get rid of your blog, come here and click delete. This will let you get rid of your blog. But for now, go ahead and click Save Settings. You should get a Settings were saved successfully message. Next, go ahead and click Formatting. If you forgot to click the Save button, your settings will be lost. For formatting, go ahead and scroll down until you see time zones. You'll want to change the time zone to GMT minus 5 hours Eastern Time. That's our time setting, so all of your posts will appear at the proper time. Don't forget to scroll back down and click Save Settings, or all your settings will be lost. Once you get the success message, go ahead and click Comments with your mouse. Again, some of these settings will be up to you. I'm going to go ahead and hide the comments from my blog. You can choose who can comment on your blog. Only members of this blog, anyone, registered users, users with Google's accounts. Choosing members only will prevent anyone from commenting to your blog. Scroll down and enable comment moderation. This will make sure no inappropriate posts get posted to your page because you'll be able to choose what goes on and what does not. Finally, scroll down and click Save Settings. Once you get the success message, we're done with settings. Now we'll move on to postings. Go ahead and click Posting. This page is where you'll write your journal entries. The first thing you'll want to do is enter a title. Your first journal is going to be about yourself. I'm going to title my entry All About Me. But the first thing I want to always remember to do is to go back and add the journal and journal number before the name of the title. So in this case, it's going to be journal number 1. And then I'll put my title, All About Me. There are many tools you can use when posting on Blogger. You can change your font, your text size, you can change your text color. You can also align your text just like you could in a document. You can use numbered lists. You can spell check. You can add pictures and movies. Now we're ready to begin typing. I'll go ahead and start typing a little bit about me. Once you're finished with an entry, go ahead and scroll down. You can either click Publish Post or Save Now. Save Now will save your blog as a draft and will not publish it to the website. You want to make sure when you're done writing a post that you publish it to the website, otherwise I might not be able to see it. After that, go ahead and click View Your Blog. You'll now be able to see your actual blog. And that's what our blog looks like. Congratulations, you've just learned how to create a Blogger account and how to post it on it. Check out the next video to learn how to access your blog account now that it's already been created. If you have any questions, watch the video again or ask your instructor.